In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Virtual Background without green screen. If you want a clean, professional look or a bit of privacy without setting up a physical backdrop, this will walk you through the exact settings you need and how to make them look their best. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen where you can see your home, meetings, and contacts. Once you're there, look for the settings icon, which usually appears as a small gear. Click that to open your Zoom settings panel. This is where all your personal preferences live, including video options. Inside Settings, find and select Backgrounds and Effects. On some versions, it might just be called Backgrounds, or it could appear under a Video section, but the idea is the same. You're heading to the place where Zoom manages virtual backgrounds and visual effects. When you open it, you'll see a live preview of your camera feed, along with a selection of preset backgrounds. Now, choose a virtual background from the available options. Zoom provides a few built-in images and sometimes a video or two. As you click an option, you'll see it apply instantly in the preview window, so you can judge how it looks before joining a meeting. Pick something that contrasts nicely with what you're wearing and with the colors in your room. Higher contrast helps Zoom separate you from your environment more cleanly. If you notice shimmering around your hair or shoulders, try slightly adjusting your position or your lighting to improve the edges. Most importantly, make sure the option labeled "I have a green screen" is unchecked. Leaving this unchecked tells Zoom to use software-based background segmentation, which is what allows you to use a virtual background without any physical green screen behind you. When it's unchecked, you don't need a special backdrop. Zoom analyzes your outline and replaces the background automatically. A few quick tips to help it look better. Even front-facing light will improve the result, so avoid strong backlighting or bright windows behind you. Try not to wear colors that closely match your background choice, because that can confuse the software and cause parts of your clothing to blend into the background. If your device is older, you might see a slight performance hit. That's normal, as the feature relies on your computer's processing power. And that's all you need. Open Zoom, go to Settings, head into Backgrounds and Effects, pick a background you like, and make sure "I have a green screen" is off. You're ready to join your next meeting with a clean, polished look, no extra gear required.